guys, is like, okay, you can do this one. Move that one. Thank you. You close it. Can you put it back? It's a little bit too much. You make sure you blend it out. You don't need a whole lot unless you're using your 3D. There you go. Clean the brush. Gummy bear. And then don't forget to apply your no wipe top coat. I am excited. Sarisa, are you entering the contest too? You joined the contest. Bonita, are you doing it too? Super cute bling nails. You lady, don't limit your challenge. Just challenge your limits. Just do it. I'm so excited to see your beautiful work. All right, so I don't know what color are we doing for the bear.
Pick one. Which one you like?
Which one do you everyone like? Yeah, so many different colors. I just picked few of them. The pink one, I like the pink one so much. Pink one is super cute. Should I? You know what? They're pink and more pink, and the other like ABs, there are more difference coming. Well, I mean on it.
Probably pink stand out the most.
Pink stand out the most. That's it. That's all we get. Should I put some crystal on it? Doesn't it take away from our... I don't know. I kind of don't want to do anything with the bear though. Because you know me, if I start doing crystal, what happened? I'll cover everything, and the bear, you won't see the bear at all. Then I'll be regret. There you go. I'm sorry. It's hot. I can't see on the under the camera. Sorry, everyone.
You can also leave your hand on the floor, on the table.
No, it's hot. Like, look, your thumb.
Yeah, too low.
Okay. It's your thumb, so you have to have something to hold on to that. Okay. This bear is so cute. I kind of like it like that. She's sitting on the top of one crystals. Hope she's be okay. Because or else she's probably not gonna fall. Because
People say bling it up, but you can do light too. Light bling.
My nails. We did 3 nails. Really good, huh? Super simple. I'm excited to see all your beautiful contests. The whole team will be judges, and then also the people who love your work too. We can't wait. All right, this cute bear, we are going to here. For 60 seconds.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Okay, stay
You
down.
think? Is that good? Should I do more? No, but I'm not doing on her. I'm gonna do along with the design. Right there. Like this. different. You hardly see me doing the simple nails like this for a long time. But down. Sorry.
There you go. Like that.
Sorry. Just it's different when you're holding my own nails. This are 90. Okay, so I didn't. Sorry if I missed any of the questions. I'm gonna try to catch it up now. But if any of you that don't have a model at the current situation with the COVID, feel free to do your nails like what I'm doing my nails right now. And make sure you're doing it really nice, the best of you can, and take a picture of it. And also, you can do on, if your dominant hand is the right hand, you can do for the left hand. Or if your dominant hand is the left hand, you can do for the right hand. If you look at the requirement, they say hands or hands, so then it's, but it can't be on the thick nails. I mean, it can't be on the nail tips, which is a nailsicle simple, or the fixed hands. It had to be on the real hands. It doesn't matter, you can sculpting your nails, or you can do a tips on. It doesn't matter what base you use underneath. You can do acrylic, you can do a poly gel, you can do with the hard gel, however you would like, and you can decorate it with glitz product on the top. So you can do your own nails like that.
Yep, IC529. Just go to our post on our IG page. So there's a whole list of detail there.
Yes, and then we're looking for 3 brand ambassadors working with us and 2 influencers. So that's the original post. I'm gonna clean just really quick on the side so keep the nice shape of my nails. I don't know if I'm doing it like crooked or not. I have to look on this side. If I do, I'm gonna look at like this and adjusting. Sorry. It looks good on the other end, but on this end it's different. So I make sure I got it right. Here you go. Here you go, everyone, the bear. I'm gonna keep this for 60 seconds. Just so simple.